Hey guys, how you doing? Tony here. So I didn't realize that I've actually purchased NFTs like a long ass time ago, um, which is pretty crazy because I actually have had people contact me about what is it called? People contact me about actually selling these. So as of right now, these are actually worth euros, right? So I actually bought these in euros. I have one of they're essentially NFT diamonds. This Savage diamond is worth about 600 bucks. The Shamrock diamond is worth about $500. The Bodeguita is worth about 160 bucks. The Fury and Point Break are worth about 150 bucks each. So overall, these are a little bit over a grand or so. I think my most valuable one is definitely the Savage or the Savage, and it's ranked in E1 class, right? And I didn't even realize I completely forgot about these, and I didn't realize that I had NFTs, which are basically diamonds, and they're called BitMonds. So yeah, no idea. I just remembered it and I wanted to share it with you guys. Also, though, I have been thinking about so I'm gonna be honest, right? I don't understand the whole NFT business, whatever. I don't get it. But I was thinking of like I was probably gonna release some like stupid ones on like OpenSea and see if they actually like sell and stuff, just to actually have like a case study, like, right? To see if I can design something and sell them. So I'm thinking about the idea. It's kind of throwing around my head. My wife is actually a designer, so I was thinking about having her create some stuff and throwing it up on OpenSea and seeing if they actually go for anything. And I was probably gonna tell my like subscribers to see if you guys would ever want to like get them and stuff. And I will sell them like super cheap, right? They would like the first batch would sell for like $10 each, and then we can just see if they actually like blow up later on and stuff. But it's just something that's kind of been running through my mind after I remember that I actually bought, and I bought these like years ago. I think I bought these like 2 years ago before NFTs were even a thing. So super insane that I actually just remembered. I had to like go back and get my password because I had no idea that I had these. But yeah, super awesome. Bitmons, check it out. Oh, I can't even, I gotta like log in and stuff. But yeah, this is basically my, well, I don't know if I should be using that. We're showing that, but yeah, this is essentially my what is it called? These are my Bitmons right here. The Savage, the Gita, Shamrock, Fury, and Point Break. So super crazy. I'll see you guys later. Bye.